Hello, my lovely students. Hope all of you are doing so well. And in today's video, we're going to learn about how we can find a percentage increase or decrease in an amount using the multiplier method. Okay, we did this today in class and we practiced it a lot for a whole hour and you guys did a great job. This is just a reminder. So please, you can answer the questions on your own right now. Actually pause the video after each question and then you check the answer. Let's start the first question here. Find the multiplier for an increase of 25%. How can we find the multiplier of an increase of 25%? The first thing that you should remember is that we're dealing always with 100%. The original value is always 100%. This is the original value, 100%. So if there is an increase of 25%, increase, we agreed, means that we're going to add 25%. Here is 25%. So what is 100% and 25%? It is going to be 125%. What is this is a decimal? What is 125% as a decimal? It is 1.25. 1.25 here is called the multiplier. Again, I just added 25% because they said increase. I added, what did I add it to? I added it to 100%, which is 125%. What is it as a decimal? 1.25. This is what we call the multiplier. Let's have a look here at the second percentage. They want you to find the multiplier for an increase of 45%. Then what are we going to do? We're going to add. Why? Because they said increase. So we're going to add 45% to 100%, which is going to be 145%. Here you go. Then at the end, we're going to do this as a decimal. How do we convert it into a decimal? We divide by 100. So it's going to be 1.45. This is how we get the decimal. So what's the multiplier? The multiplier is 1.45. The third question here, an increase of 70%. They want you to find the multiplier for an increase of 70%. Increase, we're going to add 70 to 100. We're going to add 70 to 100. So it's going to be 170%, which is 1.70, which is just 1.7. This is the multiplier. I want you guys to do the same steps exactly, to do the same thing, follow the same steps with 80, 99, and 2%. Do it on your own. You can pause the video right now. Please pause it, then come back to check if your answers are correct or not. Okay, I'm going to reveal the answers right now. Please pause it if you haven't done it. Do it on your own, then come back to check if your answers are correct. Right, here are the steps and the final answers of the last three percentages. We're going to go now to the next section of the video, which is finding the multiplier for a decrease. Okay, in the first question here, it was an increase, but the second is a decrease. So what are we going to do? Are we going to add to 100 again? No, we're going to subtract from 100. So here, decrease of 20%, we're going to take it away from 100. So 100 minus 20 is 80, which is 0.8. This is the multiplier. The same thing exactly over here. We're going to take 40% from 100%. It is minus. Why minus, semester? Because it's here decrease. So it is going to be 60%. What is 60% as a decimal? It is 0.6. The same steps exactly with the rest of the questions. Please pause the video, do it on your own, then come back to check if your answers are correct or not. I'm going to reveal the answers now. Please do it on your own, then come back to check. Here you go. Here are the answers. All right, now we learned how to find the multiplier. Let's go to the next page. If I give you the original price, $400, increased by 25%, increased by 25%, what is going to be the new value? What is going to be the new price? Okay, what are we going to do over here? There is something that you need to learn. The new value equals, that's what we need to find. We need to find the new value. What is it equal to? It is equal to the original value. What is the original value? They said it here, $400. This is the original value. Multiplied by the multiplier. Okay, what is the multiplier? If they said here increased by 25%, okay, 100 plus 25% is 125%. Yes, exactly. It's going to be 125%. But as a decimal emitter, it is 1.25. So the multiplier is 1.25. Excellent. Good. So now the new value is the original value, which is 400 times the multiplier, which is 1.25. What is the answer going to be? It's going to be $500. I just forgot to put the dollar sign here. All right, let's go to the next question. 228 kilometers decreased by 20%. Guys, try to pause the video. Find the multiplier on your own, then try to find the new value on your own. Come back and check your answer after you're done. Here, I'm going to try to find the multiplier. This is the first step. The multiplier here, it's decreased by 20%. So I'm going to take away 20% from 100, which is going to be 80%, which is 0.80 as a decimal. So here is the answer. New value is the original value, 228 times 0.80, which is going to give us 182.4 kilometers. This is the new value. Okay, guys? All right. The last part of the lesson over here is finding the original value. How can we find the original value? If they are giving us the multiplier and they are giving us the new value, and they're asking for the original price, the original distance, the original value of anything, we just do the new value divided by the multiplier. Okay, guys? So we do the new value divided by the multiplier. It's going to give us the original value. Thank you so much and see you tomorrow.